liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery.
Good evening and welcome to CalJam News. I'm Kitty Galore. It's with great sadness we have to report that there's been an epidemic taking over the U.S. This epidemic, widely known as FoMo, is hitting people all over America who haven't yet purchased their CalJam tickets. FOMO, also known as its longer moniker, fear of missing out, is causing symptoms such as extreme chills, fear of not getting fired up, and a lack of rock and roll. Take a look at this map and you'll note where the greatest outbreaks of FOMO are taking place. Luckily, our experts have come up with a cure for this epidemic. Use the coupon code FOMO and get your tickets today to make sure you don't contract this deadly sickness. On a lighter note, donations for children's health defense continue to pour in, with almost 50% of our $100,000 donation goal met. We'd like to highlight Dr. Jason Helfrich at 100% Chiropractic for his $10,000 donation. Along with Dr. Helfrich's donation, we've received a message from an anonymous benefactor known only as Bold Smileys that we'll share with you now.
All right, Bold Smileys here. I got a little soft hand in. Decided that I'm gonna give up the CalJam Beach House for a week to raise money for Robert F. Kennedy's Children's Health Defense Fund. I'd like to take you on a quick tour. You follow me in?
Hey, it's Billy D.
You figured it out. I was gonna show you the beach house. Come up with me. Billy D's favorite surf spot's right there at the 19th Street. Lifeguard stand. All right, gonna come up the steps here. We're gonna show you the upstairs. Now, real quick, I wanna let you know, there's actually some blokes still in this place. We're gonna sneak in. It's kind of a mess, so bear with it. The beds aren't made, but you can see what it's like. Oh, here, come on. All right, so here's the upper deck. There's a pier again. Lifeguard headquarters. You can see the waves over Blackie's. A little west swell right now. Then we have a fireplace downstairs. But you don't get that. That's for the downstairs. All right, so we're going to sneak in. I don't know if anybody's going to catch us. Come on in. All right, so here's the living room area. I think one of these flows out into a bed. Maybe not, I don't know. Kitchen. Looks like got a little bit of cleaning going on in here. Are you coming? Okay, good. So here's the kitchen. Got a nice, I don't know what they call it, loo or something. The loo right here looks kind of cleaned up. Doesn't look too bad. And we've got another bedroom here. It's a big bedroom, man, with lots of mirrors. Get yourself in trouble in there. And then we got look like some kind of bunk beds in here. So if you're one of them kind of people, you like bunk beds, this is gonna be a good place. Still nobody's come yet. I think I'm gonna take a quick shower. What do you think? I'll do that later. I think me and Kid are careful. Get right there. So I'm gonna turn. If I leave the lights on, then it's not my problem. All right, look at beautiful Newport Beach. Doesn't get any better. And your money will be well spent. Because the money that we raise from this raffle or contest will go towards Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s Children's Health Defense Fund. And, hey, I'm putting this challenge out there. Why doesn't that Kitty Galore interview me? She keeps talking about me. Well, why don't you interview me? Over and out, Billy D. from Newport Beach, California Jam 2019. Punk rock and roll.
Well, that was quite a surprise. We'll have to take his offer into consideration. Billy D seems to be a rebel with a cause, and it appears to be a good one. Until next time, this has been Kitty Galore with CalJam News.